Have you ever spent a summer or early fall night gazing at the sky, trying to spot that deep and mysterious Milky Way? It feels like urban light pollution is making it harder and harder for us to appreciate this incredible natural wonder. But today, we're embarking on a magical journey together to uncover the truth about the Milky Way and its unbelievable cosmic world. Did you know that the Milky Way isn't just the stuff of ancient legends, but it's also a gateway? So what makes the Milky Way so mysterious, and why has it become a part of human culture? Let's unravel the mysteries of this cosmic tale together. The Milky Way is a really big group of stars in space. Scientists think it's about 100,000 light-years wide. But what does that mean for us? Well, even if we could travel as fast as light, which is the fastest speed possible, it would take a super long time, 100,000 years. Imagine, that's 20 times longer than how long humans have been around, which is about 5,000 years. The universe is huge. The part we can see is a crazy 960 billion light-years across. Inside this vast space, there are a ton of things like stars, planets, and clouds of gas called nebulae. Even though there are so many of these things, they all follow certain rules as they move around. Scientists say that the Milky Way is shaped like a huge disk with spiral arms, with a width of 120,000 light-years and a total mass of 140 billion times the mass of the Sun. The Milky Way has two main arms, the Perseus arm and the Scutum Centaur arm, and two less obvious arms called the Sagittarius arm and the Local arm. Each arm is separated by a distance of 4,500 light-years. Our solar system is located in the Orion arm between the Carina Sagittarius arm and the Perseus arm. While the outer parts of the Milky Way might seem a bit dark, the middle part is really bright, much brighter than the rest. Back in ancient times, we didn't know much about the Milky Way because our technology wasn't advanced enough. But now, thanks to our smart scientists and cool technology, we can see a big picture of the Milky Way, giving us a peek into its true nature. The Milky Way is like a gigantic city in space, with different neighborhoods like the galactic center, core, disk, halo, and corona. The center has a diameter of 20,000 light-years and a thickness of 10,000 light-years. It is mainly composed of high-density old stars. Scientists have observed that there are 290,000 stars in the central area, and there are more than 40 million stars within 326,000 light-years from the center. The solar system is located 326,000 light-years from the center and has a low density of stars. The brightness of the central region is caused by the gravity of a supermassive black hole with a diameter of 24 million kilometers and a mass 4 million times that of the Sun, which is called Sagittarius A. The strong gravitational pull of black holes affects their orbits, causing stellar collisions and supernova explosions, making the central region extremely bright. Although the center is extremely bright, because the center of the Milky Way is about 27,000 light-years away from the Earth, the light gradually weakens during propagation, so the Milky Way in the night sky cannot illuminate the Earth. The motion patterns of galaxies similar to the Milky Way in the entire universe are different. The dominant force in the operation of the universe is not yet fully understood. Scientists speculate that an unknown mysterious force, namely dark matter, may be involved. Galileo Galilei was the first person to discover the secrets of the Milky Way. When he looked at the misty band in the night sky through his telescope, he found out it was actually made up of lots and lots of very faint stars. There were so many stars that it was truly amazing. Later on, other astronomers used telescopes to carefully look at the Milky Way and confirmed that it's made of an incredible number of stars. Astronomers soon realized that the Milky Way is like a key that helps us explore the world of stars. In the 1780s, a guy named William Herschel started studying how stars are spread out in the sky. He used special tools to measure stars in 600 different directions and figured out that the number of stars goes up in one direction. That's the center of the Milky Way. William Herschel's son, John Herschel, did the same study in the southern hemisphere and got the same results. This amazing work laid the groundwork for understanding how stars are arranged and taught us a lot about the Milky Way. As we conclude this video, we'd love to hear from you. Which aspect of the Milky Way captures your imagination the most? Is it the awe-inspiring black hole at the heart of our galaxy, or the magnificent beauty of its overall structure? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. Feel free to share this video with your friends. Thanks for tuning in. And if you're up for more exciting content, check out our suggested videos. Until next time, take care.